in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Pierce County until 8 p.m. At 7:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Plum City, or 15 miles northeast of Red Wing, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plum City and El Paso. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is where the radio